Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial we're going to show you how you can upload files to your account on Google Drive very quickly to store them in your Google Drive account. So let us get started right away. Head over to Google Drive, make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account, and what you want to do after that, guys, here in your home page is simply click on that plus new icon or button in the top left and select whether you'd like to upload a folder or a file. For example, you may upload files by using the shortcut Alt-C then U. So simply click on it. After that, locate the files on your device and simply select multiple of them. So let me upload, for example, these four items here. And after that, wait for the upload process to be finished. As you can see, I'm uploading copies of already uploaded images and photos. So you may cancel it, for example. If that's not the case, guys, simply click on upload here, wait for the upload process to be finished. You will see the progress here in the bottom right corner. And once the uploading process has been completed, you will see your files in the given location, either here in the home section or on My Drive. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.